My name is Isabel, and I am a member of our technical support team. Today I'm going to show you how to navigate your control panel and make simple adjustments to your leak defense system. You'll notice that your control panel has its own power supply, so please ensure that there is an outlet nearby to power your control panel. The panel has been paired with your valve prior to being shipped out from the warehouse, along with any other accessories included with your order. So it's essentially a plug-and-play type of system. The interface is simple, straightforward, and user-friendly, and it provides you with an on-site reflection on whether or not water is flowing within your home. Any pertinent notifications applying to your leak defense system or other accessories will appear here. First, you'll notice the home icon. This is where you can easily switch into one of the other scenes, away or standby. You'll want to treat your leak defense system similarly to a home security system. So you'll want to switch it into away scene anytime you leave the home, whether that's going to the grocery store or leaving on vacation for 3 months. If you want to connect it to your security system, you can have it automatically move from home to away when you arm your security system. Standby is an ideal scene to use for times where you'll have an abnormal amount of water usage. Maybe your son-in-law is coming to wash his car in the driveway, or you're having a dinner party this weekend and you don't want to worry about tripping your leak defense system. Your leak defense system will ignore all water flow while it is in standby. Within both of the main scenes, home and away, there are 2 main adjustments that you can make: time to alarm and trip rate. Your trip rate essentially translates to the sensitivity of the system. This is the amount of water flow needed to trigger the time to alarm, which is the amount of time that water will be allowed to flow for. When your flow rate goes above your trip rate, your time to alarm will begin counting down. As soon as your flow rate falls below your trip rate, the timer will cease counting down and it will reset itself after about 30 seconds. In the away scene, we like to start strict and then expand where we need to. A typical recommendation for the time to alarm in the away scene would be somewhere between 2 to 5 minutes. Enough time for a toilet to fill or an ice maker to run. Now, the home scene can be a bit more generous. Generally, we recommend setting the time to alarm based on the average time of a shower within the home. This actually tends to be the longest call for water while somebody is in the home. We'd probably be looking at somewhere between 20 to 45 minutes. If water flow exceeds your time parameter in either scene, your leak defense system will go into alarm and close automatically, shutting the water off to the home. If your system does go into alarm and shuts the water off to your home, you can clear the alarm and turn the water back on by the click of a few buttons. If you need to open or close your valve, you can do so by tapping this icon. Now, if this is a vacation home or if you're away from the residence often and you have a caretaker or relative who will be coming by to check on things, you may want to ensure that your control panel is connected to your home Wi-Fi network so that you can utilize our mobile app as well. You can make all of the same adjustments and commands from the mobile app that you can from the on-site control panel, allowing you to access and remotely control your leak defense system from anywhere. Additionally, depending on your insurance carrier, you may be eligible for additional discounts on your premium from connecting to the mobile app. If you don't have Wi-Fi within the home, or if it's not very dependable, you may not be able to use the mobile app. But, unlike other systems on the market that need Wi-Fi to operate, you can rest assured that your system will continue protecting your home and communicating with its control panel as our components and accessories use radio frequency to talk to one another and don't require Wi-Fi. If you require assistance or have any questions about using your leak defense system, you can go to this help page where you'll find our technical support line and a QR code where you can scan into your phone and you'll be directed to an FAQ page for general questions.